Welcome to the watch list. Joining us today is Brent Ness, who is the CEO of Aclarion. How are you doing today?
I'm very well. Brianna, thank you for asking. Hope you're
Yeah.
well too.
Yes, thank you, and thanks for making time for us. Just jumping right into it, how do you see NOCISCAN changing the way doctors diagnose chronic low back pain, which obviously can be debilitating?
Yeah, so our superpower is we help doctors see the invisible. When you go to the doctor with chronic low back pain, they're going to order some type of diagnostic test like an MRI or CT or an X-ray. And those modalities help doctors see the anatomical issues that might be going on causing pain in your back. As it turns out, your discs inside your lumbar spine can actually be filled with acids that nobody can see. Our scan, the NOCI scan, uses MR spectroscopy to quantify the volume of those acids and other structural integrity biomarkers that can actually be equated to pain.
And then for the Clarity trial, it's expected to deliver early 3-month readouts by the second quarter, I believe, of 2026. So, how critical is the data for your long-term strategy that's planned?
Sure, we don't expect any physician to change their behavior and how they're treating a patient or diagnosing them without adequate clinical and economic data. The Clarity trial is going to really be the mic drop of all randomized national control trials in this space for diagnosing pain. So when we get that evidence, the key opinion leader surgeons and pain management physicians that are using NOCISCAN today will be able to take it to the payer community and then advocate for reimbursement. So not only will it help physicians make up their mind to change their diagnostic and pre-surgical planning behavior, but it will also help the payers make an economic decision that reimbursing NOCISCAN really helps the overall economic picture of this highly expensive disease state in the United States. The single largest expenditure in all of healthcare is chronic back pain.
And where do you see the biggest opportunity for the company over maybe the next 3 to 5 years?
Yeah, it's a great question. I think following on with that key opinion leader to payer conversation, it really is getting local coverage decisions from private insurance payers throughout the United States, and they operate independently, but one after another will come on board and will build reimbursement momentum, which will equate to scan volume, revenue, and ultimately to adoption. The good news is we have reimbursement with three of the top four payers, private insurance payers in the UK market today. So we've got a proxy market demonstrating to all investors that when reimbursement is in place, scan volume grows. So we're just following a very tight plan here, not wasting a lot of time, energy, or money chasing other alternatives. We know what we're going to do, and we're just simply executing to that plan.
Well, thank you for your time and answering all our questions. What you're doing is wonderful. So,
Thank
best of
you.
luck. Not that you guys need it at this point.
Well, we'll take what we can get, Brianna, as always. But it comes down to hard work at the end.
Of course. And in
Yeah.
case you guys missed it who are watching, that was Brent Ness, who is the CEO of Aclarion, and I'm Brianna McCutcheon for The Watch List.